Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of CS Slurps Fresh Noodle Fridays. Today we're making a classic Cantonese style dish. We're going to be making Hong Kong style baked spaghetti. So you're probably wondering what makes it Hong Kong style. So if you've never had Hong Kong style spaghetti, it's actually a bit sweeter than regular like Italian bolognese. There's a bit of ketchup, which is usually the main ingredient, but I add a couple other things to kind of make it my own and to get more flavor in there. It's super, super tasty. It's piled high with a ton of cheese, boiled until the cheese is nice and bubbly and crispy, and then gobbled up within a day. Well, now that we're talking, let's go ahead and get started.
Okay, we have our short list of ingredients here. We have some lean ground beef. I'm just using 1 pound. I'm using about 4 cloves of garlic, 1 medium onion, 1 can of tomato paste, 28.5 ounces of diced tomatoes, a little bit of oyster sauce, some shredded cheese. I'm using ketchup, but also a little bit of this tonkatsu sauce and soy sauce. So, of course, we need spaghetti, because I forgot to mention that. We're going to go ahead and bring that to a boil in heavily salted water and then cook it until al dente, drain, and set aside. We're going to cut up the 1 onion and mince the garlic. And then in your skillet, we're going to heat up 3 tablespoons of oil. We're going to add in our onions. And then we're going to add in that 1 pound of ground beef. And I think I also added the garlic in just before that as well. And then we're going to add a little bit of white pepper, about 1 tablespoon. We're going to add half a teaspoon of kosher salt, a little bit of XO sauce, and we have our our ketchup that I don't have enough of, oyster sauce, and that can of tomato paste. I'm just going to give it a stir until it colors up like that. And then we're going to add in our diced tomatoes and stir it around so that the entire sauce begins to emulsify. Another secret ingredient that I like to use here is a little bit of chuhu sauce, which you can find at any Chinese grocery store, and it adds a bit of sweetness, a bit of star anise in there. It's super tasty. So once the sauce is simmered for about 10 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and add that to the cooked pasta. I'm gonna give that a bit of a toss. And I know I forgot, I threw out the pasta water, sorry. And add in your shredded cheese. Add a little bit of extra mozzarella as well as some Parmesan cheese because I like it extra, extra, extra cheesy. And we're gonna go ahead and broil that on high for 5 minutes until brown and crispy. Check it out, it's super tasty. Get in my belly.
If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell just at the top right hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you right